If you're wondering about the top 5 travel-sized first aid kits, this video has got you covered. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. When it comes to staying prepared during your cruising journey, look no further than the Cruise Essentials Personal First Aid Medicine Kit. This versatile kit is designed to provide you with everything you need for any situation, whether it's a minor scrape or a sudden illness. With its clear, labeled vinyl pockets, organization becomes a breeze, giving you easy access to all your essential items inside the kit. You'll find medicine to help with a range of symptoms, including colds, coughs, pain, hangovers, dehydration, allergies, and more. Not only that, but it also includes supplies for treating cuts, scrapes, burns, insect bites, and wounds. With 150 essential items packed into a compact and lightweight nylon case measuring just 8.75 L x 6.25 W x 2.75 H inches, it easily fits into any bag or space. Rest assured knowing that the Cruise Essentials kit is constructed with the highest quality products to prepare you for various injuries, sicknesses, and emergencies. We stand by our commitment to provide you with the best in the industry and offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee, whether you're going on cruises, road trips, camping adventures, or simply need a reliable first aid and medicine kit at home or in the office. The Cruise Essentials Personal First Aid Medicine Kit is your go-to solution for peace of mind during any journey. Be prepared and stay safe with this reliable companion. When it comes to safety, having a reliable and comprehensive next aid kit is essential. That's why we recommend the Essential First Aid Kit, a top-notch medical kit designed by doctors, EMTs, and CPR instructors. Whether you need a home first aid kit or a travel first aid kit for your car, this compact and portable kit has got you covered. With its pocket-sized design, it's easy to carry and can be refilled as needed, making it an ideal mini first aid kit for businesses. But this kit isn't just for everyday emergencies, it's also perfect for outdoor adventurers. Whether you're backpacking, camping, or hiking, the Wilderness Adventurer Kit is ready to tackle any situation. It's the ultimate backpacking first aid kit survival companion that you can rely on. Even for kids' first aid kits or as a hiking first aid kit for backpackers, this tactical first aid kit is a must-have. Don't worry about the quality of the medical supplies either. The Essential First Aid Kit is manufactured in a modern facility using only the highest quality materials. Whether it's for your car, emergency kit for vehicles, medicine cabinet, or emergency kit for home, this kit will keep you safe in any situation. Protect life. We stand by our products and our customers. If you ever have any issues with our home first aid kit or camping first aid kit, simply contact us immediately and our dedicated medical team will be there to assist you. Your safety is our priority. Stay prepared with the Essential First Aid Kit. When it comes to personal safety, it's always better to be prepared than caught off guard. That's why we recommend the iGo 85 Pieces Hard Shell Mini Compact First Aid Kit. This kit contains 85 essential first aid supplies to treat common cuts, scrapes, and minor injuries. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, this kit has got you covered. Manufactured in modern safety-approved facilities, the Safety Medical Kit exceeds safety standards for adults and kids in all kinds of emergencies. The Organization Survival Pouch features a clear mesh lining and two-way full-open zippers in a water-resistant EVA pouch, allowing for quick access to first aid supplies during an emergency. The portable safety kit is compact and lightweight, weighing only 0.56 pounds and measuring 6x 4.3 x 2.4. It's the perfect size to fit into your pocket, backpack, boat, vehicle compartment, or desk drawer. For outdoor enthusiasts, each medkit comes with an aluminum carabiner that allows you to hang the kit in various places for immediate retrieval during activities like camping, hiking, backpacking, boating, cycling, fishing, hunting, and sports. Stay safe and prepared with the iGo Mini Compact First Aid Kit. When it comes to staying prepared for unexpected accidents and injuries, the Nurse in a Purse Next Aid Kit is the perfect travel buddy. This compact and convenient kit is packed with useful content, ensuring that you have everything you need for minor cuts, scrapes, and aches. Made with sturdy, weatherproof, ripstop materials, this kit can withstand heavy use and is built to last, measuring at just 8.27 by 5.31. This mini first aid kit is easy to pack and ready to go whenever you need it. Whether you're heading on a hiking trip, traveling on an airplane, or simply need a first aid kit for your purse, this kit has got you covered. It is TSA compliant and contains no scissors or sharp objects, making it hassle-free for air travel. With the Nurse in a Purse first aid kit, you can have peace of mind knowing that essential supplies are always close by. It's not only a must-have as part of your purse accessories or car accessories but also as a pocket first aid kit or toddler first aid kit. Plus, there's ample room to add additional items according to your preference. We take pride in packing each Nurse in a Purse with care, ensuring that you feel safe and prepared with it by your side. Don't let unexpected incidents catch you off guard. Be ready with the Nurse in a Purse first aid kit. When it comes to emergency preparedness, having a reliable first aid kit is essential. That's why we recommend the VRE XSD 400-piece large first aid kit. With a total of 400 pieces, this comprehensive kit has everything you need to handle various emergency situations. From minor scrapes and burns to more serious injuries, this kit has you covered. What sets this first aid kit apart is its smart compartmentalized design. The kit is divided into small independent compartments, each labeled for easy organization. This ensures that you can quickly find the specific first aid item you need when time is of the essence. No more digging through a jumbled mess of supplies. Portability is another key feature of this kit. With its compact size of 9.4 by 3.9 by 6.8 inches and lightweight design weighing only 2.64 pounds, you can easily carry it with you wherever you go. It can be conveniently stored in your car, backpack, or even hung on your belt for quick access during outdoor activities. Prepare for the unexpected with the VRE XSD 400 First Aid Kit. Its extensive range of supplies and thoughtful design make it a reliable companion in times of emergency. There is always a lot to think about when making an informed purchase, but hopefully we've given you the confidence to take the next step. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.